Alright, I know I gotta make the stud longer, because it doesn't reach right now. It's because it has a little dome on top, see it? It's like rounded. So, I gotta do that. But, that's basically how it's gonna look when it's on. Now, we're gonna hope that it fits on the Camaro. But, only one way to find out. We actually just did an MSD installation on this. It's right there. This is a Corvette engine, 327.
Car goes like a son of a gun.
Yeah, it does.
Almost said it.
Remember one time I was gonna go get coffee in this once, and it was running like complete crap. So that's when we said, put the MSD and just no.
Okay, go hit the key. See if it starts now compared to the way it was.
It's true, you know.
This car even sees the keys coming towards it. It's gonna start up.
You're telling me.
You know?
But that's when we knew, put the MSD, and that's it. You know?
You know, big setup.
Just like that. Beautiful. It's great.
I called the parts store one time for just a simple replacement oil filter. I said to the parts store, I said, I got this size air filter, this many inches, whatever the case was. Yeah, no problem, we got it. Okay, he said, what? Nope, strike one, wrong. Three times. Do we need another stud?
Yeah, you gotta make the stud longer. It's the filter itself. It's taller than the old one.
It's not even that. I think actually it comes up in the middle. See that? It's got like a
It's
dome.
that too, yes.
Yeah, and I think that's it. Change that. You got a nice air filter setup.
It's about right overdue for a 502.
You want to put a 502 in it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it runs good. What was it? 327, 350?
327.
Is it? If I'm not wrong, that engine actually came out of a vet. I'm not saying
Yeah,
everybody
yeah.
says that. I know everybody says it.
These are double hump heads right here. See it?
What is it?
Double hump heads.
Yeah, those are heads from a vet. So if the heads are a vet, I got a feeling the lower or the bottom end, I think is.
Well, yeah. But
It's pretty quick even the way it is. It's got a very small cam.
It's got
stuff.
right now it's got big blocks with it. That's why it's pretty high.
Well, that's how they used to set them up
But
back in the day. They used to have the big block setups.
You know what I mean? Yeah, we got this car. It had this exhaust system. It sounded like a vacuum cleaner.
Oh man,
Terrible.
I think they were glass packs or something.
Something like that. It has a 3-speed manual right now. But yeah, this car had Corvette rims. You know what I'm talking about?
The center cap.
The center caps. But I mean, it was okay. But they were too small in front. The wheel itself.
Bro, this thing had mud flaps when you got
it. Had 4 mud flaps.
Oh, come on, bro.
But the best thing was, it has slapper bars, and that's how we got it.
Yep.
So eventually, after
Lakewood. I think they're Lakewood.
But yeah, eventually after I'm done with my Barracuda, we're gonna get that, the engine in, paint the engine compartment, get that done. And this will be one of the small projects I call, not a restoration. And put on the lift, I would like to get the slapper bars, take them off and paint them yellow, or get new ones.
You could probably get new ones, yeah.
These are the ones that fit right now if I can't find ones that are made for this or something like that.
Oh, there's a couple
discontinued,
companies.
but I'm sure I can find them.
They'll be around.
You know what I mean? But I want the yellow one with the sticker on it. You know, it's gonna look good.
Cool, bro.
But, yeah.
Go cut them studs. Come on, let's finish it up.
You got it. Let me clean up.
Later.